India's path to regional harmony amidst rising challenges. The recent event unfolding in Bangladesh serve as a poignant reminder of the complexities in India's geopolitical neighborhood and prompt a reflection on the Modi administration's approach to regional diplomacy. To fully grasp the current scenario, we must delve into the historical context that shaped their relationship, beginning over 2 decades ago, when it began the legacy of Vajpayee outreach. In the late 1990s, the Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee took a significant diplomatic leap by visiting Lahore, Pakistan. His symbolic bus ride was underscored by the belief that while nations can choose their friends, they cannot choose their neighbors. This move set the tone for future Indian diplomacy, emphasizing the need to forge stronger ties with neighboring countries. Fast forward to 2008, and Dr. Manmohan Singh further solidified this stance with his neighborhood first policy, seeking to prioritize India's relation with the intermediate neighbors. When Narendra Modi assumed office in 2014, he infused this policy with his characterized vigor, inviting leaders from across the subcontinent to his swearing-in ceremony. His subsequent visit to this country, notably his impromptu stop in Lahore to attend the wedding of Nawaz Sharif's granddaughter, were seen as a gesture of goodwill, signaling India's commitment to the regional stability. Where we stand, Modi record in the subcontinent. As Modi embarked on his third consecutive term, the assessment of his regional diplomacy revealed a mixed record, with Bangladesh emerging as most processing concern. For 15 years, Dhaka had become India's steadfast ally, crucial for securing India's northeast, especially given the uncertain political landscape in Myanmar. However, the situation has destroyed rising question about the effectiveness of India's strategy. In Pakistan, the post-August 2019 development following the revocation of Article 370 in Jammu and Kashmir led to a complete breakdown of relations. Meanwhile, Nepal's trust deficit with India escalated to the extent of altering its national map to include a strategically significant Indian terrorism, a move unknowingly endorsed by its parliament. This shift reflects the deepening of competitive nationalism in the region. Sri Lanka, on the other hand, has witnessed its own political upheavals exacerbated by an economic crisis and China's increased influence, particularly with acquisitions of Hambantota port, the recent rise of Mohammed in the Maldives, fueled by Indian out campaign.